Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the equation of an exponential function. Going by the standard equation of an exponential function, we have y equals a times b to the power of x minus p plus q. Note that the a value, the greater the value of a, the further the graph is stretched from the asymptote. The q determines the vertical shift. If it's a value greater than 0, then we have the graph shifting upwards. But if the value of q is less than 0, then we have the graph shifting vertically downwards. B on the other hand determines the rate of growth or decay and is always positive. It always have a value that cannot be equal to 1. So in this video, we're going to find the equation of the following exponential function given a point on the graph and the horizontal asymptote. Note that when finding the horizontal asymptote of an exponential function, the value is always equal to your q. So in the first example, we've been given the exponential function y equals b to the power of x plus 1 plus q. Starting with q, we know that q is the horizontal asymptote. The asymptote of a graph is the line in which the graph does not touch. So therefore, if you look at the graph given, we can see that we have the dotted line as shown crossing the graph on the y-axis at y equals -4. So what that means is the value of q is equal to y, the horizontal asymptote, which is equal to -4. So if I rewrite my equation, it's going to be y equals b to the power of x plus 1 minus 4. The next step, I'm going to substitute a point on the graph, which is -3 and 12, into the equation in order to find the value of b. So therefore, I'm going to sub the point -3 and 12, such that my 3 is my x values and my 12 is my y values. So therefore, I have 12 equals b to the power of -3 plus 1 minus 4. And if I simplify, I'm going to move my -4 to the left-hand side. So I have 12 plus 4 equals b to the power of -3 plus 1, -2. I have 16 equals b. I'm going to turn that into a positive exponent. That's 1 over b squared. Therefore, I have 16 times b squared equals 1. What I've done is this is over 1. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 16 times b squared, then 1 times 1, dividing both sides by 16. I'm trying to solve for the value of b. 16 and 16, that's 1. B squared equals 1 over 16. And therefore, to find the value of b, I'm going to find the square root of both sides. So therefore, my b is equal to 1 over 4. Note that the value of b must always be positive. So therefore, slotting that back into the equation for this graph, the equation of the exponential function will be y equals 1 over 4, the value of b, to the power of x plus 1, q, the asymptote, minus 4. Let's look at the second example. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the second example, we have to find the equation of the following exponential function given a point on the graph and the horizontal asymptote. So we've been given the value or the equation of the function as y equals 2 to the power of x plus p plus q. as mentioned earlier, the horizontal asymptote y is equal to the value of q. And if I go back to the diagram, the horizontal asymptote is the dotted line as shown, which has the y-intercept at y equals to 2 as shown. So I'm going to put that back into the equation. I have y equals 2 to the power of x plus p plus 2. The next step is to find the value of p as shown. So what I'm going to do is to pick a point on the line and substitute that for x and y. So to find p, so the point on the line will be 1 and 6 as shown, sub 1 and 6. So therefore that will be my x values and my y value. So therefore y6 equals 2 to the power of x is 1. So I have 1 plus p q plus 2. Taking out 2 from both sides, I have 6 minus 2 equals 2 to the power of 1 plus p. I have 4 equals 2 to the power of 1 plus p. The next step, I'm going to change my 4 to a base of 2, and that is going to be 2 squared equals 2 to the power of 1 plus p. And because the base are the same as shown, applying the laws of exponent, what that means is the exponent 2 must be equal to 1 plus p. So therefore I have 1 plus p is equal to 2. Therefore p equals 2 minus 1, and then we have p equals to 1. So therefore writing my equation, it's going to be, for this graph, y equals 2 to the power of x plus p, which is plus 1, and then I have plus q is 2 plus 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.